this one. So this is a really good feature. If you look here, I've got all of my past classes. You see all my training sessions here. I can basically star these. So let's say I have a class and I want to continue where I left off before the weekend or something. And I can click this, reload all of the notes into the classroom exactly where they were when we finished. But I've got these little starred ones. So I click here, just showing me these saved ones. So let's do saved class 1. I can view it here. We'll just open it in a new tab, and it's like the class review that you may have seen before. I can't edit this, but I could just see it quickly. Okay, is this the one that I wanted, you know? Because here I've cleverly named them saved class 1, saved class 2, but maybe you don't have the name of the class like that. So, but I click this button here, it'll reload it into the class. Now notice this is something you can do when you're finished everything that's open, because you see here, you're trying to reload content from a past class. This will replace any content annotations out. So it's going to clear everything you have open and fill this in. So here we go. All right, so here I've got this is a class that I always do about perfect forms, kind of explaining this grammar point to students. So I've got this totally filled out. And, you know, afterwards, I've got an exercise that we can do, and I can just click that start class rather than having to redraw all this. So again, though, like we talked about with snippets, you have to really consider, okay, am I just saving time or am I eliminating some value? So that's why I've created a second one here. This is what I would recommend. So you've seen this. This is my full notes, but really it would be nice just to put this one in. Oh, have I saved it twice the same? I saved it the same way. So what I really wanted to do, I had another one saved earlier where I deleted all of these things. So if I was to save this the way I want it, I would delete all these little things, because actually drawing the little notes on the screen and adding all these little annotations, asking the student, okay, where would I put the X? You know, these are really, really important parts of the learning process. So this, even though I'll take away these two things, this is my ideal saved lesson for this particular class, you know. And then I ask the student all the bits. I know where to write them in, and it saves time, you know.